Arithmetic and Number Sequence Part 4, question number 61. The force of attraction between two magnets is F newtons. This force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So force is inversely proportional, K over, to the square of the distance, D centimeters, to the square of the distance. When the magnets are certain distance apart, so when D is D equals to D, maybe 1, okay, the force is given to be 10 newtons. So force is given to be 10 newtons. So let us put this into our equation. I have force to be 10 newtons. K I still do not know, but now D is just a particular value, D squared. Okay. Find the force when this distance is being doubled. So in this case, before I go on to solve for my question, I need to consider there's this unknown K inside my question. So hence I shall write this in another way. I will find an expression for K in terms of D. I'll get 10D squared to be the value of K. Keep this in mind. Now let us come back to our question. When the force, find the force when the distance is doubled. So when this distance is doubled, 2 times of my original distance, 2 times of the, find the force. Right? So I'll go back to my original questions. It says that force equals to K over distance square, the square of the distance, but now the distance is actually 2D, so I shall replace it with 2D1, and remember you need to square the distance, then this force will become 4D squared. And now I have a K as an unknown, so remember we have just found an expression for K just now. Let us replace this into the new expression, and we shall find these two force to be 10D. What do you notice about the D values? Yes, they cancel each other, and I'm left with the answer 2.5 newtons.